Hello my dear family, welcome to our channel. Today we invite you to refer blending nature and the kitchen in an indoor courtyard. Blending nature and the kitchen in an indoor courtyard creates a unique and serene space where the outdoors and culinary experiences coexist. Here's how you can design an indoor courtyard that merges natural elements with a functional kitchen. Position the courtyard at the heart of your home, adjacent to the kitchen or surrounding it on one or more sides. This can create a calming, indoor-outdoor atmosphere right in the center of the house. Design an open-plan space where the kitchen seamlessly flows into the courtyard area. This layout allows the nature from the courtyard to visually and spatially blend with the cooking zone. Dedicate a section of the courtyard to an indoor garden with potted plants, vertical planters, or raised beds. Include a variety of plants, from herbs and edible greens to ornamental trees and ferns, to create a lush atmosphere. Consider incorporating a small fountain or water wall in the courtyard. The sound of gently flowing water adds to the peaceful atmosphere, making the space more relaxing. Install large glass ceilings or skylights above the courtyard area to let in plenty of natural light, giving the kitchen a bright, airy feel while maintaining a connection to the outdoors. Incorporate natural materials like reclaimed wood for countertops, stone flooring, or brick accents to give the kitchen an earthy, grounded feel. These materials harmonize with the natural elements in the courtyard. Maintain a cohesive design with a neutral or earthy color palette that ties together both the kitchen and courtyard spaces. Shades of green, beige, terracotta, and wood tones work well to evoke a natural, harmonious feel. Incorporate decorative items like clay pots, rustic wooden furniture, and garden sculptures to add character and tie the indoor and outdoor spaces together. String lights or fairy lights can provide a warm glow, creating a cozy, intimate feel in the courtyard when dining or cooking in the evenings. By blending the kitchen with a natural indoor courtyard, you create a peaceful, multifunctional space where nature and cooking coexist harmoniously. It's a beautiful way to bring the outdoors inside while maintaining a strong connection to greenery and fresh air. Does this sound like the kind of retreat you envision for your home? If you found this video inspiring, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home design content. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting design ideas. Goodbye and see you again.